Hello world. Today I'll be doing a video on the navigation simulation for Turtlebot 3 in Gazebo. So the first thing we need to do is to export the Turtlebot 3 model burger, and we can ROS launch the Turtlebot 3 Gazebo. And the Turtlebot 3 world launch. Okay, so the Gazebo has loaded. Next, we'll need to run the navigation node. So let's export the Turtlebot 3 model and ROS line the Turtlebot 3 navigation. Turtlebot 3 navigation launch map file. This file was created from the previous video. So if you want to know how to create this file, please look at the last video. Okay. And then what we need to do is to initialize the pose. So you can see that Turtlebot is somewhere in this corner. What we need to do, select the 2D pose estimate. It's somewhere here, and the Turtlebot is facing forward. So somewhere here, behind the line, facing forward. Looks about right. Let's adjust it over time. Okay, so this is the 2D pose estimate. Now I'll need to open another terminal to launch the Turtlebot key. So the purpose of this is to collect the surrounding environment information and narrow down the estimated location of the Turtlebot on the map. So just move the Turtlebot forward. You can see in the Gazebo, the Turtlebot is moving forward. Then in the RVs, slowly moving. Move this higher up. You just continue to move the Turtlebot until it's able to find the exact position of the Turtlebot. So we just go one round. Okay, now we can close the tally off because you can see that the Turtlebot is estimated position is quite accurate. So you can see. Now all we need to do is set the navigation goal. So now that the Turtlebot is facing downwards, we'll try to change the nav goal to be facing here. So you can see that the Turtlebot is actually making its way, finding the best route to reach the nav goal. Looks like the Turtlebot is having some trouble, but it's getting there. And yep, so the Turtlebot managed to get into the goal position. Now we'll try another location. Let's say here. Oops. Go. Facing down here. You can watch as the Turtlebot makes its way. It's finding the shortest distance based on the map that it has mapped. And it's identifying the obstacles in its way, avoiding them, and finding the best orientation possible to reach the net goal. We'll do this one more time. Probably get it. This one. All right. So this is how you can control the Turtlebot using the navigation simulation. If you want to learn more about ROS, you can click the links below in the description. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. If you enjoy watching the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you're looking forward to more videos, do hit the subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.